Good day everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I have two very interesting midnight catches from Cleveland. I am now at college, so say goodbye to Roanoke. Tonight I found the Dubai Royal Family Boeing 747-400 taking off, and the TWA American Airlines livery on a 737-800 landing. Before I get too far into the video, I need to talk about how I found these planes, an absolute gem called JetTip. My friend over at SDF Planespotting told me about this app that tracks every single special aircraft from multiple sources and puts them all in one place to be easily found. On my first go on the app, I found these flights, where I drove the 40-ish minutes to get here, because nothing is going to make me miss these. Sadly, it is subscription-based, but not too expensive. $50 for the yearly plan, and honestly, already paid off when it told me Dubai 1 was going to take off. But first, for those who are new to the channel, hi, I'm Sky. I'm a small-town plane spotter with big ambitions. My favorite hobby? Sharing about aircraft's history on planes you normally wouldn't research, as well as finding defunct airlines that I've never heard of. I also really enjoy sharing my video footage. Currently, I'm a freshman at Kent State University, flying in the professional pilot program, which was once a dream, but not anymore. So now, let's jump right into the video. I know it's very terribly seen, but that's the American Airlines TWA livery right there. Maybe we'll get to see some better.
You can expect a visual on your side. Maintain 7,000. Actually, do 125.35. Echo Bravo, change your frequency 125.35. Customers 3011 when they Cleveland call.
As you can see, the video's not over yet because I still need to analyze this plane. Our main occasion for the video, this is Alpha 6 Hotel Romeo Mike, an absolutely beautiful Boeing 747-422 that was originally delivered to United Airlines with the registration November 108 Uniform Alpha, wearing their beautiful battleship gray, looking so good on the 747. She was then sold to Dubai Air Wing and re-registered to its current registration. She is 27 years old as of 3 days before this voiceover. Congrats! And she flies with the call sign Dubai 1 from Cleveland to London Stansted with a file duration of 6 hours and 38 minutes. I should also add that the Dubai Air Wing has two other 747s, Alpha 6 Charlie Oscar Mike, which went through Air Canada and Air India before coming to the Royal Family, and Alpha 6 Mike, which also came from United. Also, diving into their other planes in the fleet, they used to operate one A319-100, one scrapped 747-200 Alpha 6 Golf Delta Papa, which was a converted freighter that came from... No, I'm not doing that. You can really pause it if you really want to, but I am definitely not going to force you. One stored 777-29 Mike Lima Romeo, registered Alpha 6 Hotel. One Avro RJ85, registered Alpha 6 Romeo Juliet 2, and has a flying fleet of 737s with Alpha 6 Hotel Romeo Sierra, a 737-7 Echo 0 Boeing Business Jet, Alpha 6 Mike Romeo Mike, a 737-8 Echo Charlie Boeing Business Jet 2, Alpha 6 Hotel Echo Hotel, a 737-8 Alpha Juliet Boeing Business Jet 2, Alpha 6 Mike Romeo Sierra, a 737-8 Echo 0 Boeing Business Jet 2, Alpha 6 Foxtrot Zulu, a 737-8 Kilo November, and Alpha 6 Yankee Sierra Tango, a 737-8 Sierra Alpha, along with the three previously mentioned 747s. Anyways, that's a really deep dive into Dubai Air Wing. Thank you to JetTip for making this sketch possible, and I'll see you in the skies.